Hi everyone! Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Welcome and welcome back sa ating mga nakasubscribe na and para sa ating mga hindi pa nakakasubscribe, welcome to Leluna Tarot. So, for today, gawa tayo ng Pico card reading in regards on your workplace. Okay, so tingnan natin ano ba yung tingin sa'yo nung mga coworker mo or mga katrabaho mo? So, sa inyong harapan, we have two pile. So, this is pile number one and this is pile number two. So, again, this is a short pick a card reading for today. So, this is pile number one and this is pile number two. Tingnan natin. Ano ba yung tingin sa'yo ng mga katrabaho mo? Okay. Ano ka ba sa mata nila? Paano ka nila i-describe? Okay. So, pili na kayo. This is pan number one and this is pan number two. And in a minute, mag-start na tayo. So, pili na kayo guys. Okay. If you choose our pile number one, so tingnan natin. Pile number one, ano ba yung tingin sa'yo ng yung mga katrabaho? Anong tingin sa'yo ng yung coworker? So, tinabi ko muna si pile number two. Pile number one. Kung ito yung napili mong card, at ito ang napili mong pile, ito yung reading mo. So, let's start with your tarot card and angel advice, okay? Future self-advice and angel number. So, tingnan natin. Ooh, the tower. Wheel of Fortune. Two of Cups. Water sign. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Page of Cups, water sign again. You could be water sign, pile number one. So sa mga pumili ng pile number one, could be a water sign, especially Scorpio. Okay? So, Taurus. Meron akong narinig na Taurus. Judgment card. Okay. Pile number one. Anong tingin sa'yo ng mga katrabaho mo? Okay. For some of you, po pwedeng iba sa inyo is in a higher position sa trabaho. So, um, you can be a boss. You can be a boss on your own business. Okay. So, tinitingala ka nila, nirespeto ka nila. Okay. Malaki yung respeto sa'yo ng mga katrabaho mo, pile number one. Okay? Meron akong nakuha na ang tingin nila sa'yo if you are resonated sa boss, okay, yung iba sa inyo is very loving kind of a person. Very down to earth. Okay? Down to earth na person. When it comes sa pag-handle ng mga employee, okay, very um patas. Okay? Patas ka pagdating sa pagdedesisyon and mapagbigay ka din na type of a person. Kaya ko sinasabi na yung iba sa inyo na pumili ng pile number 1 is a boss kasi nandito si tower moment. Ikaw yung klase ng tao na ikaw yung nagbibigay ng tower moment sa mga katrabaho mo or sa mga nasasakupan mo when it comes sa job kasi pupuwedeng ikaw yung may right para magtanggal or magbigay ng sanction. Okay, so meron akong nakukuhang gano'n. And pupuwede rin sigurong kapagka nagalit ka is um, talagang galit kung galit, okay, with the tower. Meron akong nakuha dito na although mapagmahal ka na katrabaho, na boss, you have some kind of spiciness sa'yo when it comes sa trabaho. So, napakahalaga sa'yo na gawin nila ng maayos yung trabaho nila. Mhm. You can be a challenging boss din, yung iba sa inyo. Meron din ako nakikita dito na though mabait ka, you have a mood na kung ano yung makuha nilang attitude sa'yo on that specific day, you can be a Gemini. Okay. You can be a Gemini. Kung ano yung makuha nilang attitude on that day. Okay. Pero you're very kind. Mapagmahal. Maalalahanin. O pwedeng malambing. Nirerespeto ka ng uh, mga katrabaho mo. File number 1. So, kuha pa tayo ng tatlong additional card para sa'yo. File number 1. So, ano pa ang tingin ng mga katrabaho mo sa'yo? File number 1. Po pwedeng yung iba sa inyo can be a Leo or po pwede sigurong meron kang um, iba sa inyo ha. Ooh, the full card is here. Okay. So you can be a very free-spirited kind of a person. File number 1. And yung iba sa inyo po pwede, oh, the devil is here. Some of you can be a Capricorn. Okay. Alam mo, nakukuha ko sa mga pumili ng pile number 1, you have the spiciness on you. Okay, sa personality mo. So, sabi ko nga kanina, kung ano yung makuha nilang attitude sa'yo on that specific day, okay? For some of you, po pwedeng this devil card signify you can be Capricorn. Capricorn is a hard worker, earth sign. Sabi ko nga kanina kapag trabaho sa'yo. Pero outside work, or outside sa trabaho, can be a very sweet and loving person. Okay. Last card for pile number 1. Ano ang tingin sa'yo ng mga katrabaho mo? Mhm. For some of you, okay, 2 cards to. Pero, sige, kunin ko na itong 2 cards. For some of you, pile number 1, with the Hermit card is na nandito, some of you can be an earth sign, very hardworking kind of a person. Merong pumili sa inyo na introverted. introverted na person, pwedeng overthinker, mahilig mag-isa, okay? Mas gustong mag-isa or mas gusto na kapag nagtatrabaho is tahimik lang or nagmamasid lang. You can be very aware on your environment also, pile number one. Mabilis kang makiramdam. And with the full card is here, o pwedeng game ka sa lahat, pile number one. So, o pwedeng pantay ka, patas ka makisama sa mga katrabaho mo, patas ka makitungo sa kanila um, with this full. You can be mahilig sa music for some of you. And dito sa Eight of Cups natin, pwede siguro na mahilig kang mag-travel, pile number one. Mahilig ka sa adventure. Mahilig ka sa challenges. Okay. Meron ako nakikita dito na for some of you ha, yung iilan sa inyo, hindi ko inilalahat, na merong, I know, romantic connection is bawal sa workplace. Pero meron ako nakita dito na po pwede siguro maraming nagkakagusto sa'yo sa trabaho mo. Pile number one, when this two of cups, maraming gustong manligaw, maraming gustong mag-pursue sa'yo. Okay, sa work mo. Maraming gustong mag-offer ng cup sa'yo. Maraming gustong manligaw nga. Ma, pwede sabihin natin crush ka. Maraming nagkakagusto sa'yo, nagkaka-crush sa'yo o humahanga sa'yo doon sa workplace mo. Pile number one. Can be introverted nga. Mhm. And meron din ako nakuha dito na meron na o-obsess sa'yo. Meron akong nakuha na yung iba sa inyo, merong mga tao na na-o-obsess sa'yo. Pile number one when it comes sa workplace mo. Kasi nga po pwede, you are so good looking. Okay? You're a good looking kind of a person. Meron pa akong nakukuha na yung iba kasi sa inyo, siguro palaging nag-iisa. Very mysterious din. Meron akong mysterious vibe na nakuha. Yes. Secretive. Siguro marami ding nagtatanong or maraming naku-curious kung um, saan ka nagpupunta, anong ginagawa mo, saan ka nakatira. Ano to po, pwedeng secretive ka sa information mo, pa number one. Yes, very secretive. Mhm. So, Virgo is here. Capricorn, Taurus. Okay. Pisces. Scorpio. Aries. Okay. Leo. Cancer. Mhm. Yan pa natin. Kung ano pang makikita natin, guys. Yung iba sa inyo, siguro, sabi nila may pagka-clumsy ka daw. Sabi nila ha, meron kang pagka-clumsy or may pagka-impulsive ka. Yes. Meron akong overthinker na nakita dito. Some of you is an overthinker. Can be hard on yourself. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Sa future higher self mo, ano yung makikita natin? Awakening, a realization, shift, or discovery. For some of you, may ano akong nakikita dito na you're very intelligent na person din, pile number one. You have so many ideas on your mind. Pwede siguro hinahangaan ka ng mga katrabaho mo. Ikaw yung lagi nilang pinagtatanungan kasi you have a lot of knowledge. Pile number one. When it comes sa trabaho, hinahangaan ka nila. Okay. And yung iba sa inyo, you can be the role model of some of your colleague. Okay? Strength, determination, perseverance, and self-discovery. Self-discovery and discovery again. So, pwedeng for some of you, you can be, sabi ko nga, matatag ka na kind of a person. Hinahangaan ka nila, tinitingala ka nila. Ikaw yung sinusundan nila. Okay? Naasahan ka nila. Determined ka to finish your work properly. Can be a earth sign nga, which is a very hardworking kind of a person. Okay. With the shift here, you can be a Gemini. Sabi ko nga, yung iba sa inyo is mabilis mag-shift ng mood o pwedeng from very loving, very malambing to a tower. Okay? So, mhm. So, tingnan natin. Peace. Peace and contentment are coming to you. Okay. Sabi ko nga kanina, for some of you, you can be an introvert and po pwedeng mahilig kang mag-isa, gusto mo palaging nag-iisa, magaling kang makisama sa mga katrabaho mo pero mas gusto mo yung nag-iisa ka, nakikinig ka lang ng sound, siguro mahilig kang mag-sounds using your phone, and lagi kang naka-earphone lang, okay? Mas nare-relax ka doon. Divine counterpart, a divine connection sent to you from your angels. Okay, sabi ko nga for some of you, po pwedeng meron kang makikilalang soulmate, okay, or a divine counterpart on your job. So sa trabaho mo po pwedeng nakilala to or makikilala pa lang, okay? So, tingnan natin. Retreat. Time spent alone, reflection on past and current situations. So sabi ko nga, for some of you can be a Virgo with the Hermit card, mahilig kang mag-isa, mag-retreat, mas nakakapag-isip ka kasi doon kapag nag-iisa ka. Okay? You can be introverted nga. Can be a Cancer too. Mas nakakapag-focus kapag ka mag-isa. Okay? And then overthinker also. Meron ako nakuhang overthinker. So, tingnan natin guys ang yung angel number. So, meron kang 2 cards with your angel number. Number 15. Your love for others. Sabi ko na nga, di ba? Kapag mahal ka with a page of cups and 2 of cups, your love for others is powerful and you are able to spread your gift of support far and wide. Your curious and social nature brings you in contact with a variety of people and all who would benefit from your warm, heartfelt words of wisdom. And you are very wise. So some of you earth signs are very wise. Okay? You are very wise person. You can be an old soul. Okay? So, pwedeng talagang ini-inspired mo yung mga taong nasa paligid mo, mga katrabaho mo. Tinitingala ka nila, nire-respeto ka nila. Okay, number 15 can be significant on you. You're a very loving person. Okay. Patas ka tumingin. Um, Mabuti yung puso mo. Pile number 1. So, yun yung nakikita sa'yo ng mga katrabaho mo. Okay. Number 9. So, can be a September 9. Earth sign. I am compassionate. So, very compassion kind of a person. It's your compassion that makes you shine. You are devoted to helping the greater good and have a strong talent for speaking up for others. Your soul is most satisfied when you are being of service. So some of you confirmation that your one of act of service is isa sa mga love language mo and napapansin nyo ng mga katrabaho mo. Okay, so you're very compassionate kind of a person. Okay, you have a very good heart and you are speaking up for others. So very very balanced kind of a person and ikaw yung klase ng tao na pantay ka. Okay, matuwid ka na kind of a person. Kapag mali, mali. Okay, you don't tolerate any BS. Okay? So, ganun ka kung paano i-describe ng yung mga katrabaho, pile number 1. So, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo yung reading natin for pile number 1 at kung hindi, um, you can watch our pile number 2. And kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, I highly appreciated kung magsusubscribe ka sa channel natin, like this video, and share this video with your family. Okay, so hindi ko na po papatagalin. I will go back and I will go, okay, to pile number 2. So, pile number 1, maraming maraming salamat. So, kung pile number 2 ang napili mo, so this is your reading. Ano ang tingin sa'yo ng yung mga katrabaho? Okay. So, you have a tarot card, angel number, and future higher self oracle. So, let's start with your tarot card, pile number 2. The Magician. And with Gemini, Great Manifestor. So, na rinig ko. The Moon. Okay. The Moon card is here. Oh. For some of you, there are persons na naiinggit sa'yo. Pile number 2, kinaiinggitan ka ng mga katrabaho mo. Especially, mga, if you are a feminine, mga kababaihan. Kasi nakukuha mo kung ano yung gusto mo. Or umaayon sa'yo yung sitwasyon. Okay. Seven of Pentacles, Earth sign. You can have an RB pace. Okay. Justice, Libra. Three of Cups, water sign. Okay, pile number 2. So, paano ka ba describe o anong tingin sa'yo ng mga katrabaho mo? Yung iba sa inyo, you're great manifestor. Sabi ko nga kanina, kung anong gusto mo is nakukuha mo. And karamihan ng mga kababaihan doon sa workplace ninyo is naiinggit sa'yo. There's someone lurking on the shadow. You're a very secretive kind of a person. So, kung ano yung step mo or mga ginagawa mo or mga pointers mo sa trabaho is hidden. And siguro maraming naiintriga sa'yo kasi nga you're very secretive. Okay. Hindi mo ipinapakita yung cards mo. Okay. You can have an RB face. For some of you, you're very matyaga maghintay. Very patient, okay? Yung iba sa inyo may pagkasuplada. Oh, for some of you, most of na pumili ng pal number 2 is an air sign. Libra, you can have an RV face. Na-confirm ko na. You are no bullshit kind of a person. Siguro meron kang mga hidden enemy on your workplace na hindi mo alam. Can be deceive friend, okay, or nagpapanggap na kaibigan mo. Some of you is introvert, pero iba sa inyo is extrovert, or siguro mahilig kang makisama sa mga katrabaho mo, nakakainuman ka nila, nakakasama ka nila, pero hindi kanila lubos na nakikilala. So sana naiintindihan ninyo kung ano yung ibig kong sabihin. Kasi you're a very secretive kind of person and you can be a party goer but very secretive when it comes sa personal life. Mhm. So, kuha pa tayo ng tatlong card for pile number 2. Pile number 2, ano yung tingin sa'yo ng mga katrabaho mo? A great manifester. So, kung ano yung trabaho na ibigay sa'yo, nagagawa mo ng maayos. Okay. Kahit saan ka dalhin. Kaya mo, nag-ano ka, nag-excel ka, nag-grow ka, nag-bloom ka. Magician. The Sun. Leo. For some of you, can be very jolly or masayahin, bungis-bungis, palangiti, doon sa mga tao na close mo talaga. Okay. Sa mga close mo lang Pero doon sa mga hindi, syempre, iba yung impression nila sa'yo. You have a specific group lang na sinasamahan when it comes sa trabaho. Pinipili mo lang kung sino yung sinasamahan mo. Okay? So, kuha pa tayo ng 2 cards para sa'yo. Pile number 2. Very, ano ka rin, energetic. Alam mo yung childlike, curious. Yeah. O pwedeng you are young at age, literally. Okay. Confirmation. Last 2 card, please give me last 2 card for my pile number. Pile number 2. Last 2. Six of Pentacles, Earth sign, and Justice. So, you can be an Earth sign or Libra, very, ano rin, very, sabihin natin, patas ka din. Okay. O pwedeng mahilig kang magbigay ng gift sa one of your love language is gift giving. Libra is one of those. Okay. So, po pwede rin sabihin natin mapagbigay ka na person. Hindi ka mag-share. Can be a knowledge or an actual gift. Doon sa mga very close mo lang ha. Pile number 2. Oops. Tingnan pa natin. Oh, yeah. Ten of Pentacles. Uy. You can have a family or o pwede sigurong dahil mahilig ka magbigay ng regalo or you're very generous, iniisip nila na you're stable financially. Okay. So, pwedeng you can have a family na or you can be a single mom or po pwedeng meron ka ng anak, pwedeng kasal ka na. Okay. Pero meron ako nakikita dito na since one of your, sabi ko nga love language mo is you're very generous kind of a person. Mahilig ka magbigay. So iniisip nila na your family is stable or may kaya ka. Yes. So, ano pa? Yun nga, sabi ko nga baka may naiinggit sa'yo on your workplace. There is an hidden enemy on your workplace. Hindi mo lang siguro alam. Yes. Mhm. Mahilig kang tumulong. Pile number 2. Sa mga kaibigan mo, sa mga malalapit sa'yo, sa mga close mo. Mag-iingat ka lang kasi meron akong nakita dito na maraming gustong makipagkaibigan sa'yo, makipag-close sa'yo in your workplace pero they are a snake or hindi mapagkakatiwalaan. Okay, so tingnan natin sa yung future higher self. Pile number 2. Spread your wings. Confidence that leads to freedom and growth. For some of you, you can be a very confident kind of a person. You are not shy. Or, kabaliktaran, na for some of you, you are an introverted kind of a person and siguro you have a lack of confidence. Sabi daw dito, confidence that leads to freedom and growth. Okay. Obsession. Focusing too much on one situation. The need to take a step back. Okay. O pwede sigurong for some of you, yung mga sinasamahan mo na kaibigan is not a good friend totally. Pile number 2. And it says dito na siguro uh, don't focus on a group. Okay. Siguro kaya nandito si spread your wings. Siguro yung iba sa inyo is, eto ha, iilan lang sa inyo. Yung iba sa inyo is hindi kayang mag-isa. And you are in a group of friends. But itong mga friends mo is cannot be trusted. Okay? And you need to step back para malaman mo kung sino yung mga totoong kaibigan mo. Okay? Stress. Cleanse and detoxify from unnecessary commitment. O 'di ba? For some of you is siguro yung iba sa inyo, you can very a good man. Sabi mo nga magaling ka sa trabaho and some of you ha, Yung ibang mga kaibigan mo or katrabaho mo is tini-taking for granted ka, okey? Especially yung mga malalapit sa'yo. Pupuwede sigurong hingi ng hingi sa'yo, okey, dahil alam nilang mapagbigay ka, okey. Nagpapalibre ng nagpapalibre sa'yo kasi alam nila na may pera ka, okey, and you're very generous, okey. So, stress is here. Sabi nga nila, step back, okay, and spread your wings and siguro learn to be alone, okay. Don't obsess yourself siguro or have a confidence to be alone. At hindi mo naman kailangan sumama sa mga group, okay? Kasi mamaya, baka hindi naman mga totoong tao yung nasasamahan mo. Okay? Confession, releasing a secret, pursuing virtue through honesty. You can be a very honest person, yes, or there is someone holding a grudge or naiinggit sa'yo, okay? Or if you don't like a person, o pwede sigurong mas maganda na confess or sabihin mo ng maayos dun sa person na pag halimbawa nararamdaman mo na nate-taking for granted ka na or nagagamit ka, okay. So, walang masama na sabihin mo sa kanila kapag nararamdaman mo na hindi na komportable para sa'yo. Okay. Happiness. New discovery that lead to celebrations. Love yourself first. So, sabi ko nga, po pwede sigurong yung iba tinitaking for granted ka, which is yung mga untruthful friend nga or hindi mo pagkakatiwalaan, ginagamit nila yung talent mo kasi ikaw yung magician. Okay? So, po pwede sigurong you're a very generous person tapos mahilig silang manghingi ng manghingi sa'yo or mahilig magpagawa ng trabaho sa'yo kahit hindi mo naman trabaho, mahilig humingi ng tulong. Okay? Na ikaw naman nai-stress, mahilig mong kunin yung mga um, alam mo yon yung responsibility na hindi naman ikaw dapat. So, sabi dito, love yourself first, know your worth, okay? Kasi meron ako nakikita na matalino ka eh. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan sumama sa group para mag-excel ka sa job. You can you can be the top employee um, without a group or sinasamahan. Kasi meron ako nakikita dito na baka yung iba sa inyo, people pleaser, okay? Or alam mo yon ano nga bang tawag doon? Nanghihingi ng validation sa iba. So you don't need to do that kasi meron akong nakita dito na you're very intelligent in a magician. Okay? In your job. Hmm. So, tingnan natin ang iyong angel number, pile number 2. So, number 19, I am a pioneer. So, independence. Oh, sabi ko na, di ba? Independence and self-sufficiency are necessities to you. You are extremely capable in life and in work and aren't afraid to take big risks to achieve the life you desire. I am a pioneer. So, ano yung nakukuha ko dito guys? Sabi ko nga sa inyo, learn to be alone. You are very strong when you are alone. Kaya mong mag-isa without a group of friends na hindi naman mapagkakatiwalaan. Okay? Kasi they can drag you down nang hindi mo nalalaman. Okay? And mamaya yung credit, hindi naman nila sinasabi na you help them or tinulungan mo sila or nalaman nila yung bagay na yun dahil tinuruan mo. Hindi ka nga nila binibigyan ng credits. Mamaya, baka ganun pa. So, sabi dito, independence. Be independent, okay? Last card, number 10. I am ingenious. You have great leadership skills. Your mind is sharp and allows you to dream up ingenious ideas and organize all the details. Then direct others how to carry things out. Okay, so you have a leadership skills. File number 2. Okay. So siguro um hindi ka magfi-fit sa isang group na ikaw ang follower. Kasi you have the leadership skills, okay? So, pwede sigurong know your worth and doon ka sumama sa mga taong mapagkakatiwalaan at um, totoong mag-grow ka and makakatulong. Huwag doon sa mga taong iti-taking for granted ka, hihilahin ka pababa. Okay? Spread your wings. Be confident kasi you're a very intelligent person. Okay, file number 2. So, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo itong reading natin. Kung hindi man, you can go back to file number 1 kasi baka mas resonated sa'yo yun. And kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, I really appreciate kung magsusubscribe ka sa channel natin. Click the notification bell and like this video also. Comment down below, show some love kay Luluna kung resonated sa'yo. I really appreciate and love na nagbabasa ng comment ninyo guys kung resonated sa inyo yung reading. Maraming maraming salamat guys. You can share it with your family para mapanood nila. Abangan nyo po yung aking mga susunod pang pick a card and collective reading bukas sa mga susunod pa pong araw. Maraming maraming salamat guys. Happy weekend sa inyong lahat. Enjoy your time with your family and God bless. Bye!